Good morning, I'm Chef Jonathan Moreno from the Holiday Inn Santom. We are here today to prep breakfast. We're gonna use the Coalsmith Charlie series and we're gonna make a beautiful salmon and short ribs. Today for the salmon, we will be using cherry chips, as the cherry gives us a very nice and rich flavor, and also for the pork ribs. As you know, all of us like some barbecue flavor in the ribs. And the first hour we'll be taking our salmon, and then from then we increase the temperature to a 160 degrees to finish our pork ribs in the next 2 hours. Now we're gonna get the logs and we're gonna put it into our basket, our bean basket, and we're gonna wait for us to reach the temperature of 107 degrees, and then we come back in the next few minutes to put our meat and our fish in there. After 45 minutes we come back to Charlie. We can see he reached our temperature of 105 degrees, and we're gonna start smoking our salmon and our ribs. We got space for one rib. We can carry on with the next one. We're probably gonna do the portion for about 4 to 5 people. With the other one, if they're hungry and they're gonna stay, we just put it together and they're gonna wait. See you in the next 45 minutes. Okay, now we're coming back after 45 minutes, and you guys see the temperature of one of our piece of salmon reached 71 degrees. Now it's ready to go out. Now we come back after an hour and a half to check our short ribs if they're ready. Well, I'm very happy with this. Charlie, we're very good with us. We're reaching temperatures of 87, 88, 89, 90 degrees, 91, and we're going higher. That means our actual time, we was thinking gonna be about 2.5 hours. Well, Charlie did it in an hour and a half. Well, it's amazing, it's amazing. And you guys can see this meat is not dry. Look beautiful, 100 degrees. Okay, we don't have to check more. We can see this alright. Now we're gonna remove from the heat. The salmon will be in the fridge for the last 40 minutes. Now it's gonna be perfect to cut and be served. Main course is ready. Starters are in the fridge, and we're ready to go. Charlie, you're so good. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi.
Everybody. Okay. Today we go cured salmon, smoke, and the Charlie smoker, fried smoker. Well, this is very easy. Just for your information, I'm gonna explain just how it was prepared. Okay. Like I mentioned, when I was cooking, we need to cure the fish. Usually take about 2 to 4 hours, but if you're in the rush, you need to do it in 30 minutes. It will work. This time I marinate overnight, just to catch all the flavors, all the juices of the ingredients. And also you guys can see in the middle of the table that I got a little some treatment that is actually very popular in South America. That is empanadas de aire. What means is air turnovers, but inside they got cheese. And actually this is kind of sweet pastry that we found in every single streets in South America, and go with the coffee. Go with the coffee. It's very popular, very fresh, and all you guys gonna have today. It's very fresh, very pure. It's made with a lot of love. Okay.
It looks delicious.
Well, I'm gonna come back with the second course, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any dish for you? It's so nice and juicy. It's rich. The smokiness is really rich.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the salmon.
It's lovely.
Thank you very much. This is the main course. We're going out of the traditional, as we want to see how Charlie performs. He gave us a very good performance. I want to have ribs, spare ribs, usually take between 4, 6, depends how big they are, up to 8 or 12 hours. But Charlie went very great with us. Beautiful spare ribs. Guys, enjoy it.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Bye. Sorry, ladies first.
Yes, exactly.
Can I dish for you? Yeah. Can I dish for you? The crispiness is delicious.
Now we're gonna review Charlie. I think this one is gonna be the single guy best friend. This wonderfully cooked, very quick, smoke, beautiful. You know, if you single and you and your friends are coming on Friday or Saturday, this baby can cook very quick and fast. And I'm very surprised and amazed that this machine can come out with such a beautiful smoky flavor. Even though we don't have a chambers on the side, it's just a small bright and a smoker in there. It can do anything and everything. We got our gauge that they also control the temperature, and same thing, this is small chimney. Guys, I don't have words what to say about this one. I think this is a wonderful thing to have at home. Single guy. For ladies, this works 100%. Just keep your timing on the clock, put your meat inside, forget about it. This machine does everything by yourself. The only thing you need to do is keep watching and add some sauce. You can do anything you want here. You can do bread, you can do puddings and everything. It's just your temperature you can control, and it's done. Beautiful. I think this is a 10 to 10.